Hello everyone, Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you back to her channel. The festive season is around the corner and we all want to indulge in sweets, but with a healthy twist, है ना? So let's make a healthy millet laddu recipe that tastes just like Boondi laddu. So you might be wondering how to make millet Boondi laddu at home in air fryer, oven, OTG or convection, because I have baked these laddus with jaggery. तो चलिए देखते हैं मिलेट लड्डू कैसे बनाएंगे गुड़ के साथ। इस रेसिपी के लिए यू नीड टू सिफ्ट हाफ कप ऑफ जैगरी. I have taken jaggery powder, and this recipe will remind you of the process we follow to bake crispy cookies without baking powder and soda. Next, you will need 1/4 cup of solid ghee and 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Start creaming. We need to cream this mix just like our cookies. And there is a secret behind the creaming process for laddus that we typically follow for our cookies without baking powder and soda. If you are interested to learn why I have creamed the process, please ask me in comment, or if you know the answer, please post in comments. So I have taken 1/4 cup of jaggery first along with 1/4 cup of ghee. I started to whip it, and once it looked a little creamed, I added the remaining 1/4 cup, then whipped it. Next I added 1 tablespoon of water, whipped it, and again added another tablespoon of water. So I have added 2 tablespoons of water in total for this recipe. Continue to mix it or whip it. So this is second tablespoon. So continue to whip it and you will get a creamy whitish mix. So this is perfect for the next step. So the next step lies in sifting our flours, and besan is typical of Boondi laddus, right? So we need Boondi, so we need besan here. 1/4 cup of besan or chickpea flour, and then I mixed it and again added another 1/4 cup of chickpea flour. Mix it well, and next we will be adding cooked millets. This is foxtail millet. I have added 1/4 cup plus 1/4 cup, and again I'll add 1/4 cup of cooked millet. So in total I have added 3/4 cup of foxtail millets cooked. Remember to cook it before adding to the recipe. Mix it really well and it will be more like a loose dough. Now grease a baking dish and spread nuts of choice. I've added melon seeds and raisins. Preheat your air fryer to 160 Celsius for 5 minutes. You may bake it in your oven, OTG, convection, or even on stovetop in cooker or kadahi. Now bake it for at least 20 to 30 minutes at 160 Celsius. Check it. If it is done, then you will need to make balls while it is still warm. Take melon seeds in your hands and then start to make laddu shapes. Mix everything well. It tastes so very yum and it is so aromatic. You will be reminded of Boondi laddu. My husband is so fond of Boondi laddus, and I gave him these laddus to test. And when he tasted, I asked him what laddu it was, and he said it tastes like Boondi laddu. So मैं pass हो गई, right? So that was exactly what I wanted to make, a healthy millet laddu with jaggery that reminds us of Boondi laddu. So if you are missing Boondi laddus and not making it because you are watching your calories and don't want to eat deep fried stuff, this is the recipe to follow. You can make these delicious sweets for Diwali with any millet of choice, but you need cooked millet. So look at these beauties. You will love this recipe, I am sure. Do try out this recipe and share your feedback in comments. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.